Hello guys, today topic is how to use PUBG Mobile, how to play PUBG Mobile. When to start playing PUBG Mobile, but don't know where to start if you are, and it will helpful to gather some knowledge about in-game weapons, their attachment and ammo, throwables, healing items, vehicles, and basic game machines before you dive all the way into the game. This guide will help you go from a total to a pro in PUBG Mobile. N- Number one, a knowledge requirement for canning PUBG Mobile on your phone. Before enter the installation process, keep in mind how to meet the requirement for supporting the PUBG Mobile. An Android with more than 3 GB of RAM would work perfectly. Number two, download the PUBG Mobile. Keep keep in mind that PUBG Mobile is completely free to download from everywhere. Everywhere the Play Store is considered an idea from downloading PUBG Mobile. The Google Play Store has the highest download speed, so keep that in mind. At present, the PUBG mobile app size is around 650 MB. It needs 329 MB for the low specification resource pack and 583 MB for the HD resource pack. Search the App Store for a PUBG mobile if you are using an iOS device. Long the throw multiple option. You will need to register for PUBG Mobile, and you can do that through Facebook, Twitter, WeChat, QQ, and Game Center if you are using an iOS device. You can also use the guest. You can also use the guest sign in method to test the game. If you already have an account that is linked to an email or an phone number, you can log in with that. Number two, choose of specify name and character. Once you are the create new character screen, you can change your character's appearance and create your username. You must select a unique name with no symbols or spaces. Some option will not work because you need to upgrade the Royal Pass to unlock those features. Download a resource pack after completing the name and character customization. It will enter the lobby. In the lobby, first of all, you need to download an additional resource pack. Through downloading the resource pack, you can unlock some materials such as maps, clothes, skins, voice packs, HD graphics, and all the equipment will the adjusted after downloading these resources pack. Number four, understanding the recommended graphic setting. There are mul, mul, multiple settings available for improving graphic quality. Higher qual- graphic setting and frame rates demand high and devices and may use more battery. Use these setting for better FPS. Set the graphic setting to smooth no matter what device you have and select the highest applicable frame rate. Also set the brightness setting to 150%. It makes spotting enemies easier. Consider turning on anti-aliasing for smoother graphics. Number 5, customize your control. Go to setting, control to customize your control setting. Control customizations is an important future in PUBG Mobile, and a good control setting allow you to character easily and makes your gameplay performance incredible.